It's another beautiful, gorgeous, spectacular day out here, and we're in Surprise, Arizona. In a community, it's called Artisan at Asante. Our builder is Pulte Homes, and we're going to be showcasing you a really nice home. And you know what today is? Tuesday Home Deals. And what does that mean to you? Great benefits, great values, and great discounts brought to you to keep as much money in your pocket and not put into the seller's pocket. So how about I tell you a little bit about the house that we're going to show you? 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, an office, a flex room, 2-car garage, 2189 square feet. There's some options in here that you can do. I'm going to tell you about them. I'm going to show you about them. And again, stick around to the end because they have some great quick move-in deals and discounts I'm going to tell you about as well. So, Surprise, Arizona. Artisan at Asante is the community. Pulte is your home builder, and of course me, Mary Kay Marino. I would be so honored to work for you as your realtor. But let's not waste any more of your time. Let's just go show you this beautiful home. And remember, let me know down in the comments what you're thinking. And now let's go. Alrighty, so it says come on in. So let's go ahead and mosey on in and show you this nice house. Alrighty now. Okay, so as we are stepping right here in front of the front door, nice, open, spacious, lots of light and bright home coming in here. Standing right in front of the front door, we're going to turn to the left, and right here is going to be your flex room. Actually, they're calling it an office with 2 nice windows out to the front. It's very, very spacious in here. You're not going to feel like it's a small office at all. I do want to back up just to show you something here. They are showing it with 2 glass doors. Now, if you're going to build from the ground up, you can have it with the 2 glass doors. You can have it with the 2 regular wood doors, or you can have it with no doors on it, whatever you want to do. If you're going to go with a quick move-in, it's going to be a variety of things of what the builder had decided what they want to do with it. So very spacious office right here up in the front. So now we're going to turn back to the front door. We're going to walk in. It brings us right into the main part of the house, the kitchen, the dining, the family room. It's very open, very spacious. Go ahead and enjoy. Alrighty now, so let's go ahead and swing you right back into this kitchen. This beautiful, beautiful kitchen. They're showing it as a gourmet kitchen. However, if you're building from the ground up, you can design it how you want. You can have it as a gourmet kitchen, or you can have it as a standard. They are showing it with gas stovetop with a beautiful hood above it. They're showing it also with a wall oven and microwave. And that nice big window off to the side with lots of natural light coming in. Give you another look of this island right here. Comfortably seats 3 right there. And I'll bring you right on into where the pantry is. There you go. Let me open that for you. And I'll go all the way up to the top. Very, very nice. And again, this is a gourmet kitchen with the extended counter and cabinets right here. If you're going to build from the ground up, just to let you know, this extension right here is going to be an added upgrade. However, if you're going with a quick move-in, they may or may not have it. Most likely not, but sometimes you get lucky and they do have it. If you're getting a quick move-in and it doesn't have it, And you want those cabinets there. All you have to do is let me know. I have recommendations and referrals for you to have that done, and then you can have that extended out. But as I said, if you're building from the ground up, that will be an added upgrade, as well as the gourmet kitchen here. But this is a absolutely beautiful floor plan. It's very open and spacious. You're not going to feel cramped and crowded in here at all. You have a lot of space right there from the table over to the counter. And then if I go over to the other side where the sofa is, you still have a lot of space there. And they're showing it with this big, huge sectional, and it still is very open and spacious. If you didn't have this big sectional right here, it would look even larger than it already is. Let me back up into another corner to give you another glance and another angle at it. You have a lot of windows, letting in lots of natural light. You have that beautiful glass slider door going out to your covered patio. Very, very nice. And like I said at the very beginning, you have options with this house, and we're definitely going to be talking to you about it, and we're going to show it to you. So as we walk past this, we're going to turn to the left, and this is where the options begin. It's just like, let the games begin. So coming down to this side, this is where all your guest bedrooms are going to be. So walking down here, turning to the right, this is where your garage door entrance, and that's also the garage and the salesperson. This is your favorite room. Dun, da, da, da. Not mine. Your laundry room. Now, if you're building from the ground up, the cabinets above and below, that's going to be an added upgrade. And again, if you're going with a quick move in and it doesn't have it and you want it, all you have to do is reach out to me. I have the recommendations and referrals for you to get that. That's one of the advantages of working with us and the many services we offer. So, option here, this is bedroom number 1. If you don't need this bedroom, you can make this into a 2.5 car garage. But if you need the bedroom, you can have it. Right next to it, as they're showing it, flex room. Very nice, open, spacious flex room. It has a really nice window out to the backyard. And again, letting in lots of natural light. And if you want, you can have this, if you're building, you can make this an extra bedroom. Next to this, they're showing this one as guest bedroom number 2. Nice window out to the side with slider door closets. And then as I back up, to the left is going to be the shared bathroom. Hello. 2 sinks, which to me is a big yes. So that's fantastic. They're showing it with a tub and shower combo. And again, if you're building from the ground up and you don't want that tub and shower combo, you can definitely have a walk-in shower. It's totally up to you. But if you're going with a quick move-in, it may have the tub and shower or it may have a walk-in. You know, the builder puts in a variety of upgrades and we'll just have to see what they do with each one. So backing up here, I'm going to give you another recap up here. Backing up. So here is your favorite room, your laundry room. This is guest bedroom number 1. Here's your flex room, guest bedroom number 2. Now, here are your options. You can have guest bedroom 1. You can have this, a bedroom, which would be bedroom 2, and that would be bedroom 3. Another option, here we go again. Laundry room. This could be part of your garage. So now you would have a 2.5 car garage. Then this would be guest bedroom number 1, and that would be guest bedroom number 2. And again, over here, right across the hallway, would be your shared bathroom. And if that is all clear as mud, all you have to do is call me. My contact number is on the screen, and I will clear it all up crystal clear. So right over here is going to be your double door linen closet. Let me open the other one so you can see it. They're using it as water and everything else, but it's very nice. It's a very nice, large linen closet and whatever else you need to store right there. Directly across, if it's unlocked, which I think it's locked. Oh, it's open. Your coat closet. That's for all those cold winter days that we have in Arizona that you need a coat. Haha, not. So back out into the main part of the house. Beautiful, beautiful. It's large, it's open, it's spacious. What do you think of that? Leave me something down in the comments. And if you're wanting my new guide, the do's and don'ts to buying a new home build, all you have to do is text the number on the screen, new, and we'll get that out to you. So heading on down to the primary room. Let's take you in there. Now look at this room. This is a very large room and a huge window out to the backyard. This is, let me tell you, a very, very large room. So let's walk on through here, bring you into the bathroom. Double sinks right there, of course. And then here's your party shower. Yay! Now, if you're building from the ground up, you have options. And of course, with quick move-ins, there's going to be options as well. And I'm going to go over them with you as well. So they're showing it with all glass from top to bottom. Your other option is go to a pony wall. So it'd be a wall up to here, and then it would be glass, the remainder all the way up. Or another option you can, if you want, is to do it all wall. It would be completely closed in. Up to you what you want to do if you're building from the ground up. If you're going with a quick move-in, the builder does a variety of them, and it would be whatever they have, which you pick. They have it with a nice bench, and then of course 3 nice windows above. I'll give you another look of the vanity. Hello. I hope you're having a marvelous day, and I hope one day I get to meet you. Backing up, there's your water closet, and then going forward is your clothes closet. Very, very nice. Not too bad. Okie doke. And then coming back out, there's your vanity again. Hello. And then back out to this room. Look how big it is. You know, my camera is not picking up how really large this room is because it's very large. Then as we walk through here, I know you said, I didn't see a linen closet. It's right here. Look at this linen closet for this room. A double door linen closet for the primary. And then whatever else you want to store here. Just one more shelf, please. Thank you. They didn't ask me. And then bringing you back out to the main part of the house, the family room, the dining and the kitchen. Look how big that is. I'm going to zoom in for you so you can see it. There you go. Isn't that nice? And then back out. And so I'm going to swing around, try not to make you too dizzy. I want to bring you outside so you can take a look out there. There we go. Nice covered patio. They're showing it with pavers, rocks, and then the bushes and the shrubbery that get along well with the Arizona weather. They have a variety sizes of lots out here. So if you want a big lot or a smaller lot, all you have to do is let me know and we will help get one for you. And here is the look. I want to get it with the sun not glaring in your eyeballs. The covered patio. See if I can get, it's just that time of day. There you go. And I apologize for not being able to show you a better angle of the house, but you got an idea of what the back patio looks like. Very, very nice. I'll bring you back inside, give you a recap, tell you all about the quick move-in discounts. If you're interested in this, all you have to do is reach out to me, let me know. But isn't that nice? There is a lot of room in here, very spacious. And I know I've said this already, you're not going to feel cramped and crowded in here at all. Very spacious for the size of this house. Very, very nice. And I wanted to go over this floor plan here with you to give you an idea of the variety and options you have on this one. So this is the way the house is laid out right now. 2-car garage, and then you have bedroom, flex room, bedroom. You have your office right here. If you're deciding you don't want the 2-car garage and you would prefer a 2.5, here's the layout of that. You have the 2-car garage, a 2.5-car garage. Then you have bedrooms 1 and 2, and you still have an office up front. And I'll pull back so that you can see them both. You can pause the video where you're looking at. That way you can compare them a little better. So with the 2-car garage and the flex room, it's 2189 square feet. If you want the 2.5-car garage, it would be 1992 square feet, then it would be 3 bedrooms. Alrighty now, so this is the FYI for you, the home buyer. And I always put it in all my videos because it's that important. Always remember, anytime, every time you go into a new build, always bring your realtor. In fact, always bring us. Why? Because the person inside As nice and sweet as they're going to be to you, who do they work for? They don't work for you. They work for the builder and the seller. And when you're buying your largest and biggest asset you ever buy in your lifetime, don't you want to make sure it turns out exactly the way you want it to? Of course you do. And don't you want to make sure whoever's representing you is only representing you, not both sides of the coin here? That's called exclusive representation. And we would be honored to work for you and make sure everything turns out exactly the way you want to do. So very important here. Do not go online and register. Do not go inside and register. Because once you do that, you lose the opportunity to have somebody protecting you and guiding you throughout the whole process. So what are you waiting for? Give me a call. I'd be honored to work for you. So what'd you think about this house? It is a fantastic Tuesday Home Deals, and it has great deals, benefits, and discounts on here. I am going to tell you about the quick move-ins that are available to you as well if you don't want to build from the ground up. And again, we are in Surprise, Arizona, in a community. It's called Artisan at Asante, and our builder is Pulte Homes. This home, the way it's being modeled, 3 bedrooms, an office, and a flex room, 2-car garage, 2189 square feet. And just as a reminder, if you don't need the 2-car garage, you want more space and 1 less bedroom, you can get it with 3 bedrooms still. You just won't have the flex room. So you have 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, an office, and a 2.5-car garage. That would be 1992 square feet. The base price on this house, how about $446,990? That is a fantastic deal. HOA out here is $185 a month, and what exactly do you get? Well, that's a great question. You get a lot of wonderful things out here. You get 2 pools. Yes, I said 2 pools. A resort style pool and also a lap pool. So if you like to swim laps going back and forth and back and forth, and then back and forth and back and forth, you can definitely do it out here. You don't have to worry about the kiddos playing ball or swimming into you. You have your own lap pool to swim all your laps. Also, a big, huge clubhouse and a fitness center. So there's no reason to go out and join a gym. You have a fitness center that you're already paying for with your HOA. And if you like playing pickleball, well, we've got you covered here too. How about 8 pickleball courts? Fantastic. They also have grassy parks, basketball, and a few other things as well. It's a fantastic area here in Surprise, Arizona. If you want to build from the ground up, well, you most certainly can do that. You just need a time frame right around 7 to 8 months. However, if you don't want to wait that long, which I kind of don't blame you, they do have some quick move-ins and some screaming deal move-ins as well. I've got to look at my cheat sheet so I can get you the right information. They have one, it started at $531,817. They have it down to $493,990. That's a discount of over $37,000. Actually, $37,827 to be exact. They have another one. It started at $524,153. It's down to $496,920, and that's a savings of $27,163. So if you're looking for a wonderful home, a wonderful community with a wonderful builder with great savings, keeping the money in your pocket, like I always say, then this is something that you may want to consider. So don't be bashful and don't be shy. Make sure you reach out to us. All my information is right there on the screen. And in case you don't know who I am, or maybe you forgot who I am, my name is Mary Kay Marino, and welcome to Hello Arizona Living and Real Estate. We get calls, texts, emails almost every single day from people just like you looking to make a move to Arizona, and we absolutely love it. So whether you live in state, out of state, or even out of the country, that is perfectly fine with us, because after all, we're here to help serve and support you at the highest level possible. And as far as your time frame, days, minutes, weeks, or even years, that's okay, because we're going to make sure your transition and your transaction is smooth and enjoyable all the way across that finish line to home ownership here in Arizona. So like I always say, don't be bashful, don't be shy. Call, text, email me, send smoke signals up, send a carrier pigeon. We would be honored to work for you on your home ownership here in Arizona. And like I also always say, till I see you around town next time, show you around town next time. You have a marvelous, awesome, incredible day. See you next time. Bye for now.